Everyone, I'm Wilson with Quick CNC. I'm really excited to introduce you special automatic tool changer machine 1313 ATC. What we are most proud of is the cost effectiveness. Different from other ATC, it is not only high in configuration but also affordable price. Designed for small workshops and enthusiasts. Now this is a 4x4 size. We also offer it in 4x8, 5x10, 5x12 and other sizes according to the request. Now let's follow the camera to see what it looks like. First thing we notice is the appearance of the machine. It looks very generous. The heavy frame is specially designed to be a more reasonable weight. The thick, welded steel pipe ensures the strength of the machine and it will not deform during high-strength processing. Now let's go to details of the machine. This machine uses a 5.5 water cooling ATC spindle. I believe everyone knows the advantages of water cooling spindles, such as low noisy, high speed, long life and good cooling effect. If you are interested in high cooling spindles, we also offer 6 kW and 9 kW ice cooling spindles for optional. This machine loads 8 different tools. The ATC can automatically switch the tools during process according to the program setting. If your process is complicated, it will save you more time and improve the efficiency. Motors are an important factor of determining the accuracy and load of the machine. We choose the best stepper motors in the market, which can output and maintain a stable running speed, so that the machine always keeps accuracy and a stable processing effect. If you have deeper processing needs, we can also help you to upgrade to servo motors. The tabletop is made of PVC and aluminum, which is very environmentally friendly and strong. You can get a permanently flat work surface by milling the PVC board. We have added some T-slots here, which allows you to fix large or small boards at will, with good fixing effect and high practicability. Of course, you can choose vacuum table. The transmission of this machine is that the Y-axis uses the Gary rag and the Z-axis uses the ball screw. Considering the two factors of accuracy and resistance, have strict requirements on clearance of gate wheel. In order to increase the speed of the machine and ensure the load, our engineers use M1.5 racks on this machine through mechanical calculations. Lubrication is the most critical step in daily maintenance of the machine. We have installed a central lubrication system. You only need to press it for one quick pump to lubricate all transmissions of the machine. This machine uses a computer control system. You can understand the state of the machine and modify the parameters through its operating interface easily. We have redesigned the cabinet for the system. You can put your laptop on it and operate the machine easily, and it will not affect you to press other buttons on the cabinet. open the cabinet. You can see this is the controller of the machine. This is the inverter and drivers, which we have different color is neatly arranged. At the end of the wheel has a different label, which is convenient for troubleshooting and maintenance of the machine. Nowadays, ATC has become a new choice for more CNC enthusiasts. With its convenience, running such economic multifunctional machine. Welcome to Quick CNC to consult us.